Q8515-1. The following words are an example of what kind of statement in an AD. Required within the next 25 hours time in service after the effective date of this AD, unless already accomplished. A. Amendment. B. Compliance. C. Applicability. The correct answer is B. The phrase required within the next 25 hours time in service after the effective date of this AD, unless already accomplished, is an example of a compliance statement in an Airworthiness Directive, AD. These statements indicate the actions that are required to be taken by aircraft owners, operators, and maintenance personnel in order to comply with the AD and ensure the continued airworthiness of the aircraft. 8515-2. The action required by an AD may take what form? 1. Inspection. 2. Parts replacement. 3. Design modification. 4. Change in operating procedures. 5. Overall change in the content, form, and disposition of aircraft maintenance records. A. 1, 2, 3, and divided by or 4. B. 1, 2, 3, and divided by or 5. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and divided by or 5. The correct answer is A. The action required by an Airworthiness Directive, AD, may take the form of inspection, parts replacement, design modification, and divided by or change in operating procedures. These actions are all intended to correct or prevent unsafe conditions that have been identified in the aircraft or its components. While changes in maintenance records may be required in some cases, it is not typically an action required by an AD. 9515-3. Type certificate data sheets are issued for which of the following products? A. Aircraft, engines, and propellers. B. Aircraft, engines, and appliances. C. Aircraft, engines, propellers, and appliances. The correct answer is A. The type certificate data sheets and specifications outline the crucial elements and additional requirements needed for the JS airworthiness certification of aircraft, engines, and propellers. 8516. The following is a table of airspeed limits as given in an FAA-issued aircraft specification. Normal operating speed, 260 knots never exceed speed. 293 knots maximum landing gear operation speed. 174 knots maximum flap extended speed, 139 knots the high end of the white arc on the airspeed instrument would be at? A. 260 knots. B. 293 knots. C. 139 knots. The correct answer is C. The peak of the white arc on the aircraft airspeed indicator indicates the maximum extended speed. The length of the white arc would be 139 knots. 8516-1. When is a mechanic responsible for checking AD compliance? A. Never. The owner or operator is solely responsible. B. When performing an inspection required under Part 91, 125, or 135. C. Anytime an aircraft or portion thereof is returned to service. The correct answer is B. When performing an inspection required under Part 91, 125, or 135. Mechanics are responsible for checking AD compliance when performing required inspections under these regulatory parts. However, the owner or operator also retains responsibility for ensuring compliance with applicable ADs and must provide the mechanic with the necessary information and access to perform the required inspections.